Alright, I have cooked browned out hamburger up. I drained it already. So I got some really simple ingredients over here that I'm going to be using. I got some McCormick chili original. Just got 2 packs because I got 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm just going to pour that in there. And then I got 3 cans of diced tomatoes with green chilies. I got some kidney beans, the dark red, and I got kidney beans, light red, and pinto beans. The reason why I'm doing so much is because I have a bigger family, but for you, you may need to use 1 pack, or you can just make the recipe smaller. So I'm gonna just come over here, leave everything undrained, and just pour it in there. So you can tell the difference between them light and red kidney beans, dark red and light red kidney beans, and then here go the pinto beans right there. Okay, now I'm just gonna come on, open up, put my packs of chili in there. Okay, now let's just stir it all in. And you guys, I'm gonna let this simmer for about 20 minutes. Just simmer, get all them seasons through there. And the longer that you let this sit, the more the flavor is gonna get all through the meat, through the beans, everything. If you want it to be even more flavorful through the beans, just use some dry beans, and you gotta cook them up first though. Okay, you guys, we're gonna let this simmer for about 20 minutes. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I decided I'm gonna add it in my crock pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pour everything in there. And I'm gonna go cut up some onions and red and green peppers. You guys just stay tuned, wait for this. Okay, so I have cut up some onions, some red peppers, yellow peppers, and green peppers. I'm just gonna add this into my chili. And it's gonna make it seem like it's more, it's not homemade, but it's gonna make it seem like it's more homemade. We're adding these onions and peppers in there. I'm gonna let this slow cook for about 4 hours. So you guys just be patient and stay tuned while we let it cook up. I'm just gonna go ahead and stir these peppers and onions in. I'm gonna let it cook on low, by the way. Okay. Alright, you guys, I got off work, simmer for 4 hours. I had the wife take and turn it off while I was at work. So, you guys just thank her for it coming out like it did, because she was here to turn it off. Alright, you guys, I'm about to top it with some cheese. I just got some cheddar jack cheese. Top it with some sour cream. This is just how I like mine. You guys can do y'all's however. And I'm gonna also put some I'm gonna put some chives across it, give that nice little crunch in there. You guys check it out and let me know what you think of this chili, man. Go ahead and try it out and let y'all know, and y'all gonna see how it is. Facial expression, my talking and everything. Man, this is amazing. Guys, I'm pretty sure y'all probably got some pinto beans around the house. You ain't got to necessarily have kidney beans. You know, you got some ground beef around there, some cheese, sour cream, and tomatoes. You just might not have the chili, but you can throw peppers in there, green peppers, red peppers, onions like I did. The flavor is amazing. After letting it sit for about 4 hours and letting it simmer for 4 hours in the crock pot, man, I have to say the seasoning flavor is all the way through this chili. And it's getting, hey, just remember, it's getting cold outside, you guys. You're gonna need some quick recipes like this. Hey, but thanks for tuning in today, you guys. Hey, be sure to go over to my Instagram and check me out at Southern Smoke Boss. Hey, go ahead and press that like button if you guys like this kinds of video and seeing me try out the chili. Matter of fact, I gotta get one more spoon. Sorry about that, you guys. And for you new viewers out there, go ahead and push that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.